Hey there, welcome back. Today's tutorial is all about changing colors while crocheting in the rounds. Whether you are making stripes or colorful design, this technique will help your work look clean and professional. I'm using a small circle of a single crochet stitches, but this technique works the same with any stitch. To change color, you will need to finish the last stitch of the round. Now insert your hook into the first stitch of the previous round. Now grab your new color yarn and lay it over the hook. And pull through the loops. You've now changed the color cleanly between the rounds. You can cut the old yarn or carry out behind your work. Now chain up and begin crocheting with your new color. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch to the first stitch. And that's how you change the color in rounds. It's a simple trick that opens up so many design possibilities. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me in the next tutorial where we will learn how to change color in the rows. See you there.